This is a video walkthrough tour of 2226 East Pueblo Avenue, Apartment 3 in Phoenix, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Phoenix, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Phoenix. Check out this 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom duplex apartment in South Phoenix, just minutes from downtown, and with easy access to both the I-10 and I-17 freeways. This first-floor unit features all new tile flooring throughout and brand new windows, offering a fresh and updated interior. The bedrooms are nice and spacious and come with ample closet space. It's a great opportunity at a low price for anyone looking for convenience and value. Don't miss your chance. Schedule a showing today.